Hello guys, welcome back with me, Mas Agus saja, warm wishes to all of you. Right now, I'm with Jojo and Mew Mew. Hi. Hey, Coco, come here. Come here. Ah, so sorry for that. Okay. Here we are going to make sweet soy sauce mango ice cream. Let's go. Dice a 500-gram mango or prepare around 400 grams in flesh and freeze them for 2 hours. Mangoes are well known in many parts of the world, and perhaps you plant them too. This fruit is scientifically named Mangifera indica, which means a tree that bears mango fruit and originates from India. Please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next information. And the name mango comes from the Tamil language of India. Mango has high cultural values, especially in various countries in southern Asia, such as in the Philippines. This fruit is a national symbol. Then, in the Vedic scriptures of Hinduism, mango is considered a dish of the gods. Its leaves are often used ritually in Hindu religion or wedding ceremonial decorations. And it was told that the origin of the mango fruit is the incarnation of Devi Prajapati. And another told that Alexander the Great was the first to see the beautiful mango groves in the Indus Valley in 327 before Christ. Mangoes were planted more than 4,000 up to 6,000 years ago in the eastern India bordering with Burma. Blend 300 ml of whipping cream, 120 ml of honey, a half teaspoon of salt, and the frozen diced mangoes. The history of the distribution of mangoes to Indonesia began with Indian traders who made voyages to Indonesia. In the 5th century before Christ, the fruit which originated from India began to spread to peninsular Malaysia and then stopped in Indonesia. Move the mixture into a bigger container and mix it with top speed for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, in the Philippines, mangoes were planted for the first time in the Sulu Islands and Mindanao around 1400s. Since then, mangoes have been planted widely in Southeast Asia. Mango is mainly grown for its fruits. Ripe fruit is commonly eaten fresh, as table fruit or as ice mixture, sliced or blended. Basically, mango is a low-calorie fruit group, and it is rich in antioxidants and a number of nutrients that are beneficial to health. Today, mangoes are mainly produced by the countries of India, Tiongkok, Mexico, Indonesia, and others. Keep it in the freezer for 7 hours and ready to be served. Here, I use sweet soy sauce as the topping of this mango ice cream, and honestly, it's so yummy. Damage-nya, woof. And I think it would give you a really different taste, and you should try this at home. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, and smash that subscribe button. And also switch the bell on to notify you whenever I upload new videos. See ya.